up, everybody? First YouTube video with Shane. You know, Jeep truck. We at his house. You know, got the. I did it again. The Toyota. I'm used to saying Tacoma. All right, bro. And what we're doing is putting these wheels on the Tacoma. No, I'm just playing. We're putting them on his truck. He got 37s, but we're going 40s and 15. And in mine, all I'm doing is cleaning my truck. Right? It's really dirty. Like, we got the trash. And then we got trash, and then in the back seat, it's even worse. And we got clothes, trash, the notebook for my Bible. But basically, we're about to get started. I'm gonna do an edit before and after, and then we're gonna do an edit before of his truck, and then what it looks like after. But all right, let's get to it. We got the first wheel done. Well, not done, but took off. Now we got to put the other one on. You see them suckers right there? Things are huge. I got one side clean, you know, one side. And now we finna do the rest. But all right, that was just a little break. Embarrassing. Just pick it up. Put a lug nut on before it falls. Gosh dang. Yes, sir. Hey, you did it. There you go. Now it's on. Got it on there. Yes, sir. 3 more. Done. But yeah, you don't get to see till we're done. No? Now you are. Just got the Toyota done. Dude, this thing is huge.
So, as you can see, we got lights. They're bright. They're from like Amazon or whatever. I got a Badlands winch from Harbor Freight. Custom built bumper. I ain't got no grill, but the bumper's big enough. And then these things are huge. Look, I got 15, I don't know if you can read them, 15, 39.5, 15s. This thing is huge. I still gotta wire up the other taillight right there. I think I'm gonna cut the exhaust off, but I still gotta take care of all these wires right here. But that's getting done. I don't know if it'll be in a video, or it might be done in the next video. Dude, these things are clean. If it wasn't so cold, I'd wash them, but it's way too cold. I can see my breath. That's way too cold for me. But yeah, here's like a little overview real quick before the video ends. So it's a manual 5-speed. You got your regular, regular four-wheel drives right here, and then this is the added on. And then I got the radio, and then I got a thing for subs to go back here. And then they're gonna go in that hole right there. And then this hole right here. That's a sub right there. I just gotta clean this whole thing out. And then I just got done putting a flatbed on it. And dude, this thing is crazy. Look at that. Crazy. And then, so this right here is bent, like everything right there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna like drill a hole like right here, and then I got a old like military gas tank sitting in the shop, and we're gonna like drill a hole, and then that's gonna be where I fill up my gas at.
All right, so we finished it. We cleaned out my truck, you know, and we put them big old tires on. You see them? You see them? They look huge. And then, you know, my stunt wall. But we finished it. It only took like maybe 2 hours, if that, really. Well, to clean my truck out and then put them big old things on. He only rubs a little bit, but you know, that was it for real. Really, that's like it for our first video, you know. If you want to follow me, my TikTok is CJ's Taco. Yes, sir. You might see me around Oxford. But yeah, first video. Thanks for watching, guys.